Friends, and welcome back. Let's look at our pre-London analysis on the 25th of July on a Tuesday. Okay, so what do we have here? We are on a daily chart, a massive pullback. We had a recent break of structure, and at this point in time, we could be ready to form the lower high to see the next impulse break another structure leg. But we don't know yet, obviously, right? So we need to look at the lower time frames. The indication is that the price is going higher, but will this trend continue? We'll just have to see. Let's get on to the 4H. What do we see on the 4H? The price has mitigated very nicely the extreme of the 4H demand. It mitigated here last week, went up and then has a deeper pullback. At this point in time, this could be the formation of the lower high. But again, like I said, we'll have to see what the lower time frames tell us. If you've seen my recent video on Masterclass Part 2, we discuss in depth about chalks. I recommend you go do see that. So if we want to see a 4H chalk, this would be the point here. Let me put that in there. Don't think I have one for 4H, but what I'll do is this. I will do this. Okay, so once price breaks this, we are definitely in a bullish trend now, because that is the first indication on a very high time frame that the price is ready to change course. Okay, so let's look at 1H, what's going on here. On 1H, we are into, again, coming off of a 4H supply, and we are having the chalk at the same place as the 1H. So this would be a 1H chalk to turn bullish. So. Both are in the same place because this is the lowest high, lowest low. This low broke this low, this low, this low, this low. Obviously, this low has already been broken by this candle, so the high of this candle would be here. So 1H and 4H chalk are at the same place. So would you be looking for a sell or a buy? At this point in time, I'm just going to wait. The reason for that is because this is definitely a valid demand right here, right? This is definitely a valid demand. This demand formation of this demand took a lot of sell side liquidity over here. Once price moves in, there is some level of inducement as well. So it could be a good zone if we get the right proper entry models. But if the price, for example, goes into the supply first and then comes back, then I'll be very, very cautious. To see, because we don't know yet if it's going to just completely tank or not. But however, also if the price reaches that means that we have had a 1H and 4H chalk, meaning that the price is ready to turn bullish, and there would be new demand zones formed after this chalk happens. And then we can potentially look for quick buys into some higher probability 1H supplies over here. And this supply zone at that point in time would be just for a reaction zone for it to go back into the newly formed supply after the 1H and the 4H chalk. All of this could happen. We'll just have to wait and see. At this point in time, I'm doing nothing, just staying put to see what does the chart tell us. All right, guys, you all have fun. We'll talk to you later this evening after the sessions are done. Take care. Bye-bye now.